Go!
Yes.
Bonjour, bonsoir, comment les amis, aujourd'hui, c'est Fruit de Nia qui vient avec un petit challenge pour nous. Je nous carré, c'est un petit challenge candy. There you go. So, this is un long candy. Je veux dire, c'est 5 personnes qui ont participé. Marine, ma tante, cousin, et puis Cindy. So, nous connaissons Cindy déjà, nous toujours Cindy sur Chanel là. C'est notre famille moyen là, qu'on y a là. On dit, bon, on fait un petit challenge pour nous. So, challenge, on va commencer dans un petit moment. C'est un long candy, so tout le monde va l'ouvrir candy yo. Je dis, on va quitter au game encore. Je vais faire encore. Ok? So, man. So, tout le monde
Take it out of the sachet?
Oui. So, make candy ya, make candy ya. Yes, sir. We back again with another challenge. Another challenge. We back again, guys. Okay.
I love it.
You love it?
Yes.
I hope you win. Okay. Okay.
Yummy.
Guys, many. Many
Yummy,
guys.
guys.
My auntie, okay. My auntie say hi to the video. Ça c'est maman
Hi,
Fendi.
this is Angie.
Ok, ça c'est Angie, ça c'est Babyto. Say hi.
Right?
And, you know, vous connaissez ça? Ça c'est Pretty Nia.
Look at it. It's so long.
It's long, so.
I'm already.
Ok. So, leva barre l'autre. Tout net même nous avec pour la wapi non moi. Ou toujours pour pas. Non, vous souboun. Allez, 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 allez. Allez, allez, oh non, non.
Oh, I thought I'm already.
Bagay mais non, et pas manger. Oh. No, you're cheating. You're cheating. You can't be cheating, okay? So, guys, you can't be cheating. After, oh, my no. Oh, hey, you can't be doing that. I'm telling you, no. After 3, 1, 2, hey, remember,
3, 2, 1.
nous sommes là, nous mettons la bouche, c'est pas, mais nous pousser le rentrer. C'est là que nous pousser le rentrer dans la gorge, nous, oui. Ok, so, par contre, nous connaissons. C'est pas, mais nous, c'est là que nous. Pas bien, mais deux mains à droite, en bas. So, nous allons commencer qu'on a 1, 2, 3, go!
Yes.
Oh my God. It's funny, guys. Baby, go again. Baby, go where you at? Baby, go where you at? Baby, go. Oh my God. That's the first time that happened to me in my life. Losing a challenge. Okay, so baby to gain. Libère de nous commencer à faire pour lui. Et puis après ça, on a poursuivi avec l'autre monde qui était dans le challenge. Go ahead, baby.
Bro, alright. Let me keep it 100. So, they were all being retarded and everything. They was holding that thing like this. So what I did, the candy was this one. I fried it like
Oh,
this.
you're cheating. This means you're cheating. No. You cheating.
That's why
you're
you finish
cheating.
so fast.
If it's the way that you're doing it, you're cheating.
That's why you
Period.
finish so fast.
So no, you're cheating.
I
So
want-
it was supposed to be long, so you swallow it. Yes, that's the challenge.
I watched the challenge before. DDG did it.
No,
It's not cheating.
that's cheat.
Y'all call it cheating.
Yeah, it's cheat.
It's not
I'm
cheating.
telling you, you're cheating.
I won.
Look,
I won.
yeah, because you cheat.
Rewatch your video. You gonna see how I started.
No, you said you prior.
Yeah. Cause look.
Like you, but
Look, my aunties was falling in her hand.
No. My auntie was straight.
No, hers was straight.
Yes. So I asked her to take her hand down.
That's what I'm saying.
But you folded.
You don't
You
understand
said
what I'm
it.
saying.
Okay, so you folded, so you cheat, you
I
won.
won.
Go ahead.
Rewatch the video.
Go ahead, you won. Go ahead.
yeah, I won.
Keep telling them your stuff.
Put it with my mouth. I leaned back, and then I won. And then Fenya was trying to cheat.
That's a cheat.
She was trying to hit my stomach. She was like,
No, I wasn't. I was like, it was too funny for me, like, to see you win like that. You know what I mean? Like, it's hard. It's a hard challenge. Everybody knows. Like, you can't be touching nothing. You'll be swallowed without touching. How could it be possible so you win like that? This is why I be like that. I be like, you know? I be like... Yes, c'est bon. Baby tot dil genye, malgré te plo a el, but mbal genye. So, ma di comment feeling na te pou li. E ma di comment feeling na te pou li. En sendi, e pi apre sa nap coupe video.
It was interesting. I love the challenge. And then I am the third person, right?
Yes, you ended the third one.
I am the third one. I put it in my mouth and I... Moi, je vais dans la bouche, et puis, moi, je vais monter avec l'homme, moi, bien rapide. You know?
So
good. I love it. I love it.
Okay, Miami was in the comment feeling na te pou li.
Yes, parce que oui. Moi-même, pas de notre film.
That's a lie! That's a lie! That's a lie!
Ok, vous savez fort, une troisième.
Who got troisième? Who got the end? It's last. I don't know for what reason. Cindy toujours dernier. But like, she's gonna explain her situation. I'm sorry, Mama.
It was hard. Like, it felt like someone was sticking something in my throat. I felt like I was choking. That's how hard it was. But the next challenge, I'm winning for sure. So,
You think so?
I know so.
Alright, so, yeah. Se kontan nan fè men video a. Mwen te kontan avèk nou nan ti challenge sa. E mersi avèk pou mwen kap gade video a. Se te mwen avèk fami myo. So, mersi. Mwen se te ou enjoy li. Pa oubliye. Abonne, let's go. Abonne, partage, subscribe, share. Thank you.